Fever. Fever. An increase in body temperature, often indicating illness. Cough. Cough. A sudden, forceful expulsion of air from the lungs, often to clear the throat or airways. Sore throat. Sore throat. Pain or irritation in the throat, often caused by infection. Nausea. Nausea. A feeling of sickness with an inclination to vomit. Vomiting. Vomiting. The act of expelling the contents of the stomach through the mouth. Fatigue. Fatigue. Extreme tiredness or exhaustion, often due to illness or lack of sleep. Chills. Chills. A feeling of coldness accompanied by shivering, often due to fever. Headache. Headache. Pain or discomfort in the head, scalp, or neck. Body aches. Body aches. Generalized pain in muscles and joints. Runny nose. Runny nose. Excess mucus production from the nasal passages, often due to infection or allergies. Sneezing. Sneezing. A sudden expulsion of air from the nose and mouth, often as a reflex to clear irritants. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath. Difficulty breathing or feeling like you can't get enough air. Dizziness. Dizziness. A sensation of lightheadedness or unsteadiness. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. Frequent, loose, and watery bowel movements. Rash. Rash. An area of irritated or swollen skin, often red and itchy. Chest pain. Chest pain. Discomfort or pain in the chest area, which can indicate various health issues. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. A decrease in the desire to eat, often due to illness. Sweating. Sweating. The body's method of cooling down, which can increase during fever or anxiety. Congestion. Congestion. Blockage in the nasal passages due to swelling or mucus accumulation. Mood changes. Mood changes. Fluctuations in emotional state, often related to illness. Dehydration. Dehydration. A condition resulting from excessive loss of water in the body. Dry mouth. Dry mouth. Lack of moisture in the mouth, often leading to discomfort. Hives. Hives. Red, itchy welts on the skin that can be a reaction to allergens. Hoarseness. Hoarseness. A change in voice quality, often sounding raspy or strained. Swollen lymph nodes. Swollen lymph nodes. Enlargement of lymph nodes, often indicating infection. Constipation. Constipation. Infrequent or difficult bowel movements. Increased sensitivity. Increased sensitivity. Heightened response to stimuli, such as light or touch. Shaking. Shaking. Involuntary movement or trembling, often due to cold or anxiety. Cramps. Cramps. Sudden, painful contractions of muscles, often in the abdomen or legs. Muscle weakness. Muscle weakness. Reduced strength in the muscles, making it hard to perform tasks. Fever blisters. Fever blisters. Small, painful sores that appear on or around the lips, often due to herpes virus. Pale skin. Pale skin. Lighter than normal skin tone, often a sign of illness or shock. Changes in urination. Changes in urination. Altered frequency, color, or odor of urine, which can indicate health issues. Thirst. Thirst. A strong desire to drink liquids, often due to dehydration or illness. Nightmares. Nightmares. Disturbing dreams that can cause fear or anxiety, sometimes linked to stress or illness. Irritability. Irritability. Increased agitation or annoyance, often due to discomfort or pain. Restlessness. Restlessness. Inability to relax or stay still, often due to discomfort or anxiety. Sensitivity to sound. Sensitivity to sound. Heightened awareness of noise, leading to discomfort. Foul breath. Foul breath. Unpleasant odor from the mouth, often due to poor dental hygiene or illness. Bleeding. Bleeding. Loss of blood from the body, which can indicate injury or medical conditions. Confusion. Confusion. Impaired ability to think clearly or make decisions, often due to illness or fever. Jaundice. Jaundice. Yellowing of the skin and eyes, indicating liver problems. Persistent itching. Persistent itching. Ongoing irritation of the skin that prompts scratching. Feverishness. Feverishness. A sensation of being feverish or overly warm, often accompanying fever. Loss of energy. Loss of energy. A marked decrease in physical or mental stamina. Numbness. Numbness. Loss of sensation in a part of the body, often due to nerve issues. Slight memory loss. Slight memory loss. Difficulty recalling recent events or information. Appetite changes. Appetite changes. Variations in hunger levels, often due to emotional or physical factors. Severe pain. Severe pain. Intense discomfort that can limit movement or functioning. Throbbing pain. Throbbing pain. A pulsating or rhythmic discomfort, often associated with headaches. Cravings. Cravings. Strong desires for specific foods, which can change with illness. Moodiness. Moodiness. Variability in emotional state, often due to stress or discomfort. Clumsiness. Clumsiness. Difficulty in coordination or movement, often linked to fatigue or illness. Stomach gurgling. Stomach gurgling. Noises from the digestive system, often indicating hunger or digestive issues. Altered heart rate. Altered heart rate. Changes in how fast the heart beats, which can indicate stress or illness. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss. Losing weight without trying, which can be a sign of underlying health issues. Severe sweating. Severe sweating. Excessive perspiration, often linked to anxiety, fever, or illness. Gastrointestinal distress. Gastrointestinal distress. Discomfort in the stomach or intestines, often accompanied by nausea or diarrhea. Sensitivity to touch. Sensitivity to touch. Increased reaction to touch, which can be painful. Burning sensation. Burning sensation. A feeling of heat or irritation, often in the stomach or skin. Ear pain. Ear pain. Discomfort in the ear, which can indicate an infection. Stiffness. Stiffness. Tightness or difficulty moving joints or muscles. Loss of coordination. Loss of coordination. Difficulty in performing tasks requiring balance or precise movements. Difficulty swallowing. Difficulty swallowing. Trouble getting food or drink down, often due to throat issues. Palpitations. Palpitations. The sensation of having a fast beating or pounding heart. Feeling overwhelmed. Feeling overwhelmed. A sensation of being unable to cope with situations or feelings. Trembling. Trembling. Shaking or quivering, often due to anxiety or cold. Excessive crying. Excessive crying. Frequent tears, which can indicate emotional distress or pain. Tiredness. Tiredness. A general state of feeling worn out or lacking energy. Sensation of coldness. Sensation of coldness. A feeling of chilliness, often in the extremities. Fleeting pains. Fleeting pains. Short-lived discomfort that comes and goes quickly. Feeling faint. Feeling faint. A sensation of lightheadedness or near loss of consciousness. Altered vision. Altered vision. Changes in sight, which can be caused by various health issues. Loss of interest. Loss of interest. A decrease in desire or motivation for activities that were once enjoyable.